the mark.
Yeah? So you park ranger LS?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you messing with?
Miss Parkway.
Are you messing with a fossil?
Yeah.
Are you trying to break it apart to get to the fossil?
Yeah.
That's awesome. What have you found so far?
Huh?
What kind of fossils have you got out of there so far?
I got optical fossils.
Did we get a tooth fossil?
Yeah.
Did we get a shell fossil?
Noah.
No? Let me see. I think we did. Isn't that a shell fossil?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a uh-oh.
I found a one too.
Yeah.
You pick that up. Get a fossil right there.
Is there another fossil in there?
Noah.
No.
No.
I think we got a tooth as well. Look at this. This is actually a tooth. But be careful because it's very sharp. Can I see it? Where'd it go?
Right here.
Oh, right there. Let me see it. Wow. That is cool.
Oh. Here you go.
Thank you.
I got broken the fossil.
You gonna break the fossil?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully we find something else cool inside there. What do you think?
Yeah, rub it on the ground.
There you go. That'll work like chalk. No, the fossil.
The dirt.
How's Park Ranger CH doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, doing well.
Good.
Yeah, did you have fun today at Jurassic Quest?
Yes. Mama.
Look at that Mamasaurus. Woo! Mamasaurus with the big dinosaur head.
Working hard, aren't you, Lauren?
I want a dinosaur head too.
You do have a big dinosaur head on your shirt.
No.
Is that-
Haha.
Is that a Triceratops on your shirt?
No dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur?
And that Triceratops.
Okay, it's not a T-Rex?
Stegosaurus.
Okay.
That Ceratops. That dinosaur.
Okay.
These. Oh.
You need some help?